In this lecture, we will continue our discussion on conflict serializable. So it is possible to have two schedules that produce the same outcome but that are not conflict equivalent. Okay, so we can have two schedules, let's suppose S1 and S2. They may produce the same result, or you may say the same outcome, but that are not conflict equivalent. So let us take an example. Consider schedule 20 and a serial schedule 21. Schedule 20 is not conflict equivalent to serial schedule 21. Okay, so before going to this schedule 20 and 21, so let's suppose there are two accounts A and B having initial balance $1,000 in A, and the initial account balance of B is $2,000. Okay, so the final value of A and B after execution of either schedule 20 or the serial schedule 21 are the same, $960 and $2040. Okay, so if you execute this schedule 20, so this is the schedule 20, and if you execute schedule 21, then we'll get the same account balance of A and B. That is, the account balance of A will be $960 and the account balance of B will be $2040. Okay, but if we see here, these two schedule 20 and schedule 21 are not conflict equivalent. So see here, so in order to make it conflict equivalent, so these instructions should come here, okay, and these three instructions will go up. So it can only be possible by swapping it. Okay, so see here, this is a write operation, this is a read operation. They access the same data item B, and these two are belong to the different transactions, that is T5 and T1, and one of them is a write operation. So these two are the conflict instructions, they cannot be swapped. Okay, so since they cannot be swapped, read B cannot move upward and write B cannot move downward. Hence, we cannot produce schedule 21 from schedule 20. Hence, schedule 20 and schedule 21 are not conflict equivalent. Though they are not conflict equivalent, but if you execute this schedule 20, then we will get the value of A and B. There is account balance of A and B as $960 and $2040 respectively. And if you execute the schedule 21, then also we'll get the account balance of A and B as $960 and $2040 respectively. Okay, so let us execute it one by one. So here the initial balance of A is 1000 and the initial balance of B is 2000. So here A is equal to A minus 50. Okay, so here we'll have A is equal to 1000 minus 50 is 950. Okay, 1000 minus 50 is equal to 950. Now come to here, read B. So B is equal to 2000. B is equal to B minus 10. Okay, so this will be 1990. That is the value of B. B is equal to 1990. Okay, then here again we have B is equal to B plus 50. So here B is equal to, the value of B is 1990 because it is already written in the database. So the same value 1990 will be read by this instruction. So 1990 plus 50 is equal to 2040. Okay, then it will be written in the database. Now read A. So 950 will be read. Okay, then A is equal to A plus 10, that is 950 plus 10 is equal to, so here A is equal to 960. This will be written. So the final value of B is equal to, for this schedule 20, 2040, and A is equal to 960. Okay, now let us execute the schedule 21 in this way. So here read A, the initial account balance of A is 1000. So here A is equal to 1000 minus 50 is equal to 950. Okay, so then now, and it will be written in the database. Read B, 2000 will be read. So B is equal to B plus 50. So here B is equal to 2050, 2000 plus 50. Okay, now here B is equal to, and in this write B, it will be written in the database. Read B, so this B will be 2050, that is the updated value of B. So 2050 minus 10, so is equal to, B is equal to 2040. Now it will be written in the database. Read A, that is the value of A is 950 will be read here. So A is equal to 950 plus 10, that is equal to 960, and that will be written in the database. So here the final value of B is equal to 2040 and the final value of A is equal to 960. So here we are getting the same output, this and this. So what is the meaning of this? It is possible to have two schedules that produce the same outcome but that are not conflict equivalent. Here schedule 20 and schedule 21 are not conflict equivalent, okay, but they are produce the same result. So this is the meaning of this example. So this was for today. Thank you.